Hello friends, today's topic, how was the stock market under PM Manmohan Singh? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Manmohan Singh, our past Prime Minister, passed away on 26 December night at the age of 92. Dr. Singh was the 13th Prime Minister of India and is also the 4th longest serving Prime Minister of India. He is behind Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi and the incumbent PM Narendra Modi. However, he is best known as a finance minister responsible of liberalization of Indian economy. The policies along with the former PM Narasimha Rao laid the foundation for India's rapid economic growth in the last 30 years. He was instrumental in laying the foundation for modern India, which included various regulations like the abolishment of license Raj, trade liberalization, allowing foreign capital investment in India, etc. He supported the formation of SEBI as a stock market regulator. Dr. Singh also held several other prestigious positions during his decades of public life. He was a member of Planning Commission of India in 1980-82 and became the governor of Reserve Bank of India (RBI) during 1982 to 1985. He was also the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha between 1998 and 2004. In India's history, there have been 14 prime ministers who have led the country. Each prime minister had his or her own strengths and weaknesses. All their actions would have had positive or negative impact on the overall economy and stock markets. Many times we may be thinking that certain governments or prime ministers are good for stock market and some governments are not as good. We have compiled the data of how stock markets performed under each Prime Minister of India. Stock market returns under various PMs. Charan Singh, tenure around 6 months, Sensex value 123, CAGR 8.65. Indira Gandhi, tenure 4 years and 10 months and CAGR during that time stock market Sensex was 17.82. Rajiv Gandhi, 5 years and 1 month and that was 21.19%. VP Singh, 11 months tenure and the stock market CAGR went up 108% and I will give the explanation little later. Chandrasekhar, the tenure was only 8 months, CAGR minus 3.3%. PV Narasimha Rao, tenure 4 years and 11 months and the CAGR 23.36%. AB Vajpayee only 15 days and then it was minus 95% because when you take up the CAGR for a short period there is a drop and it works out to minus 95% though it is not the real fact. HD Devegowda tenure was 11 months and the CAGR of stock market was 14.67%. IK Gujarat tenure 11 months, CAGR only 0.6% plus. AB Vajpayee 6 years and 2 months and CAGR 5.19%. Manmohan Singh 10 years and the CAGR was 17.42%. Narendra Modi 10 years and 7 months, CAGR 11.43%. Whenever a Prime Minister has served for a short period, such as less than a year, the CAGR figure will look very low or high. This is because CAGR annualizes whatever returns received in the short period. But we should observe returns during full term of PM or when they have served for almost 5 years. Tenure of Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, PV Narasimha Rao, the second term of AB Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh and Narendra Modi should be considered since they all ruled more than 4 years. You may observe that stock markets have done well irrespective of governments and PMs. This is because of the Indian economy growing and the people of India working hard. If there is support from the government in terms of economic policies and other advancements, it is bonus for the country and such steps may have a positive impact on the stock markets. But even otherwise, in the long term, markets are bound to do well. Unfortunately, what actions the different governments in the future takes is not in our hands. We can only put our best efforts to safeguard our future and hope for the best. End of the video, here's the question. Are you surprised to see lower returns from stock markets under Narendra Modi and when compared to Manmohan Singh government? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.